ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಫ್ರೀಡಂ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಪಿಸಿಸಿ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದ ನರೇಗಾ ಬಚಾವ್ ಸಂಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲೋಕ್ ಭವನ್ ಚಲೋ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನಾ ಸಮಾವೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಿಎಂ ಡಿಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್, ಮಾಜಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ವೀರಪ್ಪ ಮೊಯ್ಲಿ, ಎಐಸಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿ ರಣದೀಪ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸುರ್ಜೇವಾಲಾ, ಕೆಪಿಸಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಜಿಸಿ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್, ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಸಚೇತಕರಾದ ಸಲೀಂ ಅಹಮದ್ ಸೇರಿ ಹಲವು ಪ್ರಮುಖರು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದರು.
No sir, for us it is, you are the governor, Rajpal. You are Rajpal, your name is not been changed from Rajpal. Still all the signature has been signed in the name of Rajpal. So we respect Rajpal. Anyway, that is your mission. Okay, this is our mission. Though you may change your name, I did not change the road name. The road name was only. Let us see, sir. Okay, anyway, sir, this Manrega, we are going to submit a Manrega. This is very close to our heart. This 5,800 Gram Panchayats, almost 6,000 crores we used to spend. The entire money, 90% of the money used to come from the central government. And every panchayat used to do 1 to 2 crores work. And the panchayat members used to take a decision. Those who never had work, they used to go to panchayat, give a letter. And even if you never is in the same panchayat, you can go to any panchayat and ask for a work. It was the duty of the government and the panchayat to provide the work. If your work was not being provided, it was the duty of the central government and the state government to recognize and see that he gets wages out of it. So even the World Bank also had appreciated. This is what it is on record. Now I don't know, in the federal structure, they should have discussed what has to be done. Mahatma Gandhi name is next. But this program is very dear to panchayats and all panchayats will be close. Earlier when Sonia Gandhi was the Congress president and S.M. Krishna was the chief minister, we gave more strength to this 73rd and 74th amendment, and more than 25 panchayat departments have been handed over to the Gram Panchayats. That is the strength we gave for this decentralization. Now again still more we added on this Manrega. In this Manrega, even the workers, the village workers who didn't have employment, they were being given an opportunity even to work in their own land. That was the greatest strength which was being given. Unfortunately, now the decision has been taken to Delhi, and Delhi will monitor, and they have made it to 60-40 scheme. Even the BJP government which runs in the state country, they also can't afford this scheme. It is impossible. That is why Mr. Chandrababu Naidu also has voted. They might have convinced him to vote because they said that they were giving some financial strength in a different way. But it is impossible to take this forward. So I don't want to take it very much. This one is not only close to the heart, it is close to the country. And unfortunately they have changed. We never expected from Shivraj Singh. He is a very senior leader in Madhya Pradesh to know the rural system. And a lot of Manrega scheme was being running around in Manchad. He being the minister, I don't know how we agree. All of us they just pass this bill, and we can't accept this. So we want to go it back. So we have taken a invitation to the entire country, and in Karnataka also we have started a great movement. So through you, we want to impress upon the central government. Justice is being done to the states and the panchayats. You are taking out the right of a worker, you are taking out the right of a panchayat, you are taking out the right of the constitution which has been given to the 73rd and 74th amendment. What is the right of the Gram Panchayat that has been taken? So we want it to be rolled back, we want safe system security, and Mahatma Gandhi name should not be removed. We are the entire country is dear to Mahatma Gandhi, and that is leadership. We got freedom, and now today we declared Commissioner and me and my the secretary, we declared that we will take a decision that all the panchayats will be named and then after Mahatma Gandhi connected with the village. That is the major decision we have taken. 2 days we will discuss in the assembly. Then we will pass a resolution and we will come back to you with that resolution. Even that resolution also will have to send it to Delhi. I hope with your great influence you will convince Delhi and see that you are also a good man. You know the rights of the common man. You are a worker who is still working. So I want you to impress upon rest my Chief Minister and my AC General Secretary to present their own case in this. We want you to impress Delhi government and see that this has been rolled back. That is what we are coming here. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to meet all of you.
ಗಾಂಧಿ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ? ನಂಬರ್ 1, ಈ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಹಕ್ಕು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ತಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಗದ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದ ಮಹಿಳೆ, ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದವನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅವರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಯವರು. ಈಗ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಯಾರು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಖಾತ್ರಿ ಯೋಜನೆ ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಗಳ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಗಳ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಗಳ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರ್ ಹಕ್ಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳ ನೆರವು, ಯಾವನಾರ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆ ತಾಲೂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಈ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಹೊಸ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಕೋಡಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಕೋಡಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಲಯ ಅಂತ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಹೆಸರು ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಊರ ಹೆಸರು ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ. ಇದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ. ಇದು ಪಕ್ಷ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಕೊಂದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಅವಕಾಶ ನಾವು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಈ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಹಕ್ಕನ್ನ ಏನು ಮನಮೋಹನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು, ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರು, ಇಡೀ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರು, ಅದನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
Modi government has murdered Manrega in broad daylight. The diabolical conspiracy of Modi government and the BJP to attack the rights and livelihood of 11 crore Manrega workers across the country, including 71 lakh active Manrega workers in Karnataka, has to be condemned in the most apt words as also action which has been initiated by my PCC president, by our chief minister and by our party leaders. The rights and livelihood of 55 crore Indians, 11 crore families have been taken away. In Karnataka, the number comes to 2 crore 25 lakh. Since there are 71 lakh Manrega active workers,